Morning, everyone. We are at Heli Air. So today we're gonna take a helicopter ride. Me and Tony. We're gonna leave the kids behind. So Billy is gonna babysit. He's old enough. We're gonna fly through London. Look at the city. It's gonna be about 45 minutes flight. They say to 50 minutes. So weather looks quite okay. Slightly windy, a bit cloudy, but it's visible. So that's the main important thing. All right. So we drop the kids to the cafeteria.
Yes, I'm gonna have some donuts.
Okay, we're gonna get support there. Okay, so we are at the lounge, lifting off soon. So Tony just went to the toilet, and after the toilet we should go to the helicopter. We're gonna be flying through London and back, so that should be about 40-45 minutes. Boys are waiting. It's clear, so we should be having good views. We are now waiting. We are delayed as usual, so that's nothing new. They are the choppers. They are the choppers. They are the choppers. So let's see how long we have to wait, because we have a baby there outside crying her heart out. Huh? Yeah, I mean, she was crying, right? So we have to see how long the delay is. Emily.
Proper hand. I'm Chris. Nice to meet you all. Right, we are here at the moment at Wickham Air Park.
Yep.
And we're going to fly on the north side of Heathrow Zone. This line is Heathrow Zone basically. So we go over here, staying outside of this airfield, and then we join here over Northolt. We're going to follow the A40 towards Hanger Lane. Then from Hanger Lane we go south towards Kew Gardens, and that's basically we're going to follow the river, and we'll see all the features. I'll point it out when we fly basically all the way towards London Bridge, and then we'll basically turn around and then we go back. So if you miss anything on the way there, you will see it on the way back also. Yeah. So don't worry, you don't have to sit all the way backwards in the helicopter. You fly the same route back. In the helicopter we have headsets, so if you have questions, do ask them. It's only the four of us that can hear it. Sometimes you might hear Heathrow talking, and if I push the button, then they can hear only me. But if I don't push the button, they don't hear anything. So it's just we can all talk, and if you have questions, do ask. Right. Any questions so far? Nope.
Northolt, is it military?
Yes, but since military on weekends they don't work, apparently, we can overfly them. It's not active. It's also used for private jets, and they still depart, so we might have to hold somewhere here if the jet departs, but otherwise we can just cross it.
Yeah, just to remember the name from somewhere.
Yeah, it's RAF Northolt, military.
Exactly.
All right. That's it.
So now we are going.
Is this the first time you booked it? Or has it been?
Yeah, this time.
Because in January we had lots of cancellations because of rain and strong winds and visibility. Today visibility is really good.
It's good, yeah.
Almost as soon as we go up, you can see in the distance London already. There's a few showers coming through, but we'll see.
How long have you flown?
How long have I been flying?
Yeah.
This is my first day on the job.
Oh, right,
No, I've been flying for 6 years. And the majority of what I do is instruct new students, basically. And the rest of the time I'll do flights over London.
And you love it.
I love it. It's a hobby, it's not a job.
If you don't have
Right,
it,
ready to go?
Yes.
All right, so off we go.
Watch your step here, and watch that helicopter there.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. All right, so let's see which one we're going to. The red one or the blue one? Okay. All right, so here we go.
Who has been in a helicopter before?
I have,
You have?
yeah.
Then you're gonna fly today.
She's gonna fly
no.
us.
I was a passenger taking pictures.
You're gonna fly that one.
Okay.
It's an R40 A44, a 4-seater helicopter,
Yeah.
and it's running a really nice helicopter.
Yeah.
So we have 2 seats in front, 2 in
Yeah.
the back.
Okay.
When we walk towards the helicopter,
Yeah.
now it's safe. But usually when we walk to the helicopter and away from the helicopter, we
Yeah.
always go to the front.
Okay. Not from
The
the.
tail rotor spins
Yeah.
at high velocity,
Yeah.
and when it spins you won't see it, and if
Yeah.
you're going to try to walk around it, it will hit you and it will hurt. Probably in a way that you don't have to call the ambulance anymore, so
Yeah.
never
It
run the
shocks
back of
you,
the
yeah.
helicopter,
Yeah.
always towards the front. Yes.
Yeah. So this is our ride. That's our helicopter.
On the way back, not on the way back. When you come back, can we take pictures?
Yes.
I get the one
Yeah.
afterwards.
Of course. Yeah, not a problem. £5 per picture. Happy to do that.
All right.
Right, the helicopter. And
Yeah.
to get in the helicopter, it's quite easy. And then through this side, there's a grip here,
Yeah.
right foot there,
Yeah.
and you hop in like that.
Okay.
Any idea what this is?
What? This?
This
Is
bit.
it for
Yeah.
landing?
Is it for water landing?
That's it. Yeah.
Water landing.
It used to say no step.
Yeah.
Some people try to step on it when they get in the helicopter. I have a switch there. If I flip that switch, in 20 seconds, big balloons pop out,
Oh,
and we
yeah,
can
it's
nicely
gonna-
float
yeah.
on the water.
Yes.
If you use this as a step, you might break it. We can't float on the water. We have to go for a swim. It's
Yeah.
too cold for swims.
Yeah, thank you.
Please don't use this as a step.
Yes.
Right, the doors. When you get in, I will lock it for you. Legally, I'll show you how it works. If you push this forward, pin comes out, push it down, door's locked. If you need to open it, you lift it, slide it forwards again, and door's open. If you're warm, you can open this. This is a very advanced air conditioning. Just cold air comes in. I leave it closed because it's a bit chilly. We do have heating inside, so if you're cold, let me know. I can turn up the heating. Seat belts, just like in a car. Click to release. Straightforward.
Yeah.
These are the really nice headsets.
Yeah.
Noise cancelling headsets. Keep the microphone close to your mouth, otherwise the ambient noise picks up too much. And you can all four talk to each other. So yeah, if you have questions, do ask them.
Yeah.
Then we also in the back have life vests.
Yeah.
Legally, because we fly over the river, we need to take life vests.
Yeah.
But if we need to land on the water,
Yeah,
this will
we
keep
have
us on the water for hours and hours, and
Yeah.
there's lots of boats on the river, so we don't really need a life vest.
Yeah.
If you do need to use them, you pull them over your head basically, around your waist, and then once we're outside the aircraft, you pull the cord. That's it.
Yeah.
One more thing, that is the brace position. If you have to make an unscheduled landing, we have to take the brace position.
Yeah.
Any idea what the brace position is?
You get forward and head down.
That's what most people do.
Yeah.
That's in a plane.
Oh,
Because a
alright.
plane lands like this,
Yeah.
a helicopter usually lands like this, so you have to keep your back straight. Yeah,
Straight.
back really straight, that's really important.
Failed.
And yeah, like this, yeah.
Okay.
Glasses off
Yeah.
for safety, but definitely keep your back straight, because we land like this,
Yeah.
if you lean forward,
It's
you break
trauma.
your
Yeah.
back, yeah, so back straight.
Yeah. Tram on the back.
Right, two,
Everything is fine.
yeah,
You want to go to the front?
Do you wanna? Sorry, Daddy.
Somebody tells nothing.
It's okay. No, I'm not filming. All right. So off we go. She's gonna sit in the front. We're gonna sit in the back. Cause,
Which side? Should I go on the other side?
let's see.
and your seatbelt, and who wants to take this seat?
Okay, I can take.
There you go.
Okay, so I step on that.
Yep, please not.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're in. I need to fight in with the belt to get it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got mine. Okay, so to take off.
Headset in. Yep. Yeah.
Check.
That's off. That's good. Those off and good. Yep, thank you. That's on. That's on. Hopefully that is good. And just what fuel we have. That's good. It's always good to have fuel. Just like in a car.
Yeah.